Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to center your text on Adobe After Effects. So now open your Adobe After Effects software and follow these simple steps. The first thing, I will create a new composition so I can add a text on it. So just create a comp. You can add the settings on it, and here I have the layer or the workspace panel here. So either you can just click on the text and you start writing, or you can just go here and right click and click on new, and we will find text. So basically now we can start add our text. So let's just have this text, and we can start giving it some other font. So select the text, you can change its font, you can add other options like the size, positioning between the lines, positioning between the characters or the alphabets, also like the bold of each character or the stroke. You can do other and many options on the text. Now we want to align our text in the center. So basically you will need just to go to the menu paragraph, so you can just click on these default panels and it will start changing panels. So click on the defaults and go to the paragraph. If you don't find it, it's simple, don't worry, just click on windows or window and search for the paragraph window, and here make sure that is checked in. Then you will go to your library or to your panel and just click on the center text, and basically you will have your text centered automatically and easily in your composition. So now whenever you are clicking shift, it will stay on it will relocate the center, and it will give a preposition here, and it will take you to the center. The most important thing that our anchor point is on the center of our text. So basically if I go like that and you search, you see you see our anchor point is located here. It is that single point here, so we want it to be in the center, so it will be aligned in the center of our composition. So basically this is how you center text on Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching and goodbye.